राम जब नागपास में पड़े थे तो गरुड़ जी ने, कौन उनको बांध सकता है? संसार में कोई नहीं बांध सकता। When Lord Ram he was bound by snake rope, no? Who did? Meghnad, no? Indrajit did that. He put them. He shoot the arrows, the nagfas, no, the snake rope. So they completely faint. They completely senseless. The both brother are. Who can do that? And they went to. This is the test. Who can understand the Lord? Hanuman went to heaven to bring in Garuda. Come down. Help. You have the power and you can open this snake knot. So Garuda came and he opened the snake knot. Then Garuda was little doubt. He says, how he is Lord? Hanuman says, he is my Lord. He is the Param Brahma. He is the Paramatma. He is the super soul. Now how if he is super soul, he is Paramatma, he is omniscient, omnipotent, how he can bound? Who can bound him? No, this is his part of human pastimes. ये उनका नर लीला था, भगवान ने ऐसा किया। नहीं, so he has doubts. No, I open, then he opened, none he. कैसे ये हो सकता है? भगवान को कौन बांध सकता है? लेकिन भगवान ऐसे लीला करते हैं। तो गरुड़ जी के मन में ये शंका उत्पन्न हुई। फिर ये गरुड़ जी के मन में था अहंकार थोड़ा। He has some pride. Garuda has some pride. So for that, Lord do some pastimes. He can clear one pastime. He can make so many things. That is his expertise. That is his lila. He can do one pastime. He can do many things. Clear many one's doubts. Create many doubts. Clean many doubts. So that is also. Many people have many doubts, but he clean the one lila. He can do many things. One incident, he can do many things. भगवान एक समय में बहुत सारे कार्यों को संपादन करते हैं और एक लीला में बहुत सारे संशयों को खत्म कर देते हैं, समाप्त कर देते हैं। ये भगवान की अद्भुत लीला है। तो he did that and he so Garuda and Narada Muni, and that's why when he has got that doubt, because he got the offense, so he could not satisfy himself. Something happened. So he went, Lord Shiva, he went, Narayan sent Shiva, go to Shiva. He knows then Shiva says, no, better you go, because Ram, who can know Ram's tattva? Lord Shiva knows, because he always residing his names. He knows all the tattvas. He sent, Narada says, go to Shiva's. And Shiva says, no, you go to Crow, Bhusandikaka. You go to that Crow. Crow knows that the Bhusandikaka, he knows everything. Garuda was little pride. Garuda ने बहुत उनका अहंकार था। उन्होंने पूछा, मैं किससे ये संदेह, मेरा जो संदेह हो रहा है, मुझे उनका अपराध किया, अपराध के कारण उनका मन शांत नहीं था, अशांत रहा। तो कैसे इस संशय को खत्म करूं? कौन खत्म करेगा? नारद मुनि बोले, लॉर्ड भगवान शिव राम के तत्व जानते हैं, क्योंकि उनके भगवान ही राम का नाम हमेशा लेते हैं। तो राम शिव जी के पास, शिव जी बोले, नहीं, आप शिव जी चाहते तो बोल सकते हो। शिव जी कैन एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग, but he knows who is the right person, teach him. Sometimes even professor of university, he cannot teach 2-3 class people, 2-3 class boys, the 2-3 class children, no, very difficult. So he said, no, go to, and because he knows he has some pride, he knows, because वो अपने को सोच रहा है मैं तो बहुत बड़ा Pakhiraj. He is the king of all the birds. Pakhiraj Garuda, no? Because he is the king and he has so much powerful, no? And he don't care the crow in front. in front Garuda crow is nothing, no. पक्षियों में सर्व बड़ा राजा है पूरी गरुड़. ये कौआ तो कुछ नहीं है, insignificant ना. In front of the Garuda, ना, the crow is nothing. But the Garuda has that much. He has proud. No, how I can? So he said, no, go to him. He will teach you. He went and folding hand, okay, because he has that pride. You have pride, it's very difficult to understand the tattvas. You have to become humble. Then you can understand. It can reveal. Otherwise, it's very difficult to. अगर हमारे हृदय में अहंकार है, गर्व है, भगवत तत्व को समझना इतनी आसान नहीं है. अगर हम बैठ के, इसलिए शिष्य जो छात्र बैठते हैं ये करके, अगर अहंकार होगा फिर वो ज्ञान रिवील नहीं होता. डज नॉट रिवील इफ ऑफ प्राइड. श्री कृष्ण बलराम की जय, श्री गौर निताई की जय. सो ही वेंट एंड द फोल्डेड हैंड, you are sitting in front Garud sitting in front the cock, the crow, Pusandika. Then Pusandika explained all the Katha, Ram Katha. He started Ram Katha, Ram Tattva. Then finally he understand.